Oh my God. Hi, it's been a minute, but welcome to my new studio slash guest bedroom. Obviously, I moved finally, and it was a journey, let me just say that, but we're here. Let me give you a little tour of the space. Editing Nat here. I am so sorry for the lighting and the audio in this section of the video. I promise it gets better. Anyways, enjoy. You come in through the door over here. This is not going to be staying here. I have just been playing around with furniture pieces that we had in our old apartment. So just to give you an idea, outside of this room, we have like a little desk in the living area, which is where I will be doing computer work and editing. So this is just sewing, crafting, small business space. So here at this desk, I'm going to have my serger and my sewing machine. On the wall, I'm gonna have this pegboard from IKEA because I love that vibe in like a sewing space. Now let's go to the side of the room. I recently picked up this from Facebook Marketplace. It is a lot wider than I thought, but it's good because it serves as a second surface where I can cut and do other things. So the plan for this space is I want to hang up a mirror either here or over there where that shoe cabinet thing is. And this is going to be where I'm storing everything like my stuff for my jewelry making, maybe like current fabric that I'm working on, and then anything like sewing stuff that doesn't just fit on my pegboard. Okay, last thing that I want to show you is I did end up like finding this on Facebook, and then I went to the Goodwill near there and I found this little chair right here and this, which now I'm thinking I'm going to sell on Facebook Market. But the little stool thing would go here, and then we would have like a bigger mirror moment right here. You see what I'm saying? So then the mirror would be here, and you would be able to see in the mirror slightly the gallery wall with all the stuff over there. So we have that pink lamp that you saw at the beginning. And now let's get into the cutie little frames. So we've got this tiny one. Are you kidding me? I also got this because how freaking cute is it? And I think that in this, I'm going to put all of my sewing clips. This is actually for my desk out there. I am a huge sticky note user. I just found another bag that I forgot about. I found this mirror. Hey, there you are. Because I've been wanting like a round mirror for a gallery wall. So happy that I found this. So this is where your imagination comes in a little bit, okay? So I got this. Like, look how cool like the actual frame is with like this hanging thing. And it's like a shadow box. I wanted to do some sort of like a light up thing for my business sign. So I think it's gonna be this. And obviously pop out whatever is back here. And then I'm gonna Cricut cut my logo and then put LEDs behind it. And this is going to go above my sewing machine over there so that you can see it while I'm sewing. Then I found the coolest like row of thrift and antique shops near me, which I'm so happy about because if you're a thrifter, you know that finding a new thrift store is stressful. Found this print, like how cute is she? I also found this cutie print. I don't know how well all of these prints go together. I think they go together. Like these two are kind of the same color vibes. And this one down here, maybe not, but this could honestly even go in the bathroom. I just thought it was gorgeous. Like it's like a cute little muted pink. And I think it's like vintage Michaels. Or if that's a different brand, I don't fucking know. But look. Oh my God, this is so fucking cool for my gallery wall. I don't even know what it is. It's just like this little circle thing. I also got this, which is just like this thing that you can hang because I'm thinking how cool and cute would it be to do this. And then I want to either draw or put in a print of like a cute saying like on a piece of paper. Are you seeing this? I almost gave up. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I really did. Okay, so we've reached a good point. I need to add something, obviously, to the baskety weave thing. I'm gonna do something, and then I'm gonna look back at the footage to see if it looks good. Because these walls are super high in this apartment, which is amazing. So I want to take advantage of the height. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go higher. Hopefully this will be the last one because I feel like my neighbors hate me right now. I have been feeling a little stuck lately. Like, no matter how hard I try, my small business just isn't getting the traction that I hoped for, and it's been really discouraging. So, I decided to hit reset and take advantage of this move. I wanted to create a space that inspires me and reminds me of why I started in the first place. Because this isn't just a business, it's art, it's my heart. It's about bringing new life to old things, and I really needed to feel that again. Several days later. It has been a couple of days, but here we are again. I am so close to finishing the space. I did pick up some more stuff from the thrift store. I know, I need to stop going. I got this, which is so cute. And I found one that's basically the same, but in this lighter color. I feel like this space needs something else, like to the left of the blue painting, probably like another like oval thing, right? So I found this, which is so cute, and I'm gonna paint something cutie on it and then hang it up. I got some hardware to actually be able to hang it. At my market this weekend, there was a girl that was selling her watercolor art, and she had like a little greeting card print, which I thought would be so cute. So I bought one. I didn't have the funds right now to buy an original, like actual watercolor, so I thought that this would be still good to support a small business. I originally wanted to hang this here where this print is because I didn't know if it like really went with the vibe. But now that I'm looking at it, I think the blue of this and that really complement each other. So I think I'm going to keep that print. And instead, let me bring you over to the pegboard. As you see, I have some like clips that you can clip art into. And so I'm going to keep that one. And I'm also going to put this one. How cute is that? Speaking of the pegboard, I feel like this looks like too white, if you know what I mean. So what I think that is going to happen is I bought some wood contact paper that is coming today. So I'm going to wrap this in that. I was also thinking about spray painting the hooks black, but I feel like that would make them stand out too much. I'm going to buy some of the IKEA cups for the pegboard. What I did is I bought this hanging thread spool rack thing that I'm going to stain the same wood, and it's going to be hanging basically in that spot right above the sewing machine, and then above that I'm going to have my logo because I felt like this space like needed something else up here on the wall besides my logo. I made this like little beaded plant, which you probably saw if you follow me on socials, but I think like the gray doesn't really match the vibes of this room. So I'm going to paint it like an off-white and crack some pepper into it with baking soda. If you've ever done that, you know it gives it like a really good like stone texture. Also, I had previously bought this frame that had like a canvas in it, which was like not cute at all. So I popped it out, which I thought I wanted to do my like clothing product pictures in, but I ended up not loving it. So I still have the frame. I'm pretty sure I have a canvas that will fit if I paint it. So I'm probably going to paint something and then hang it up there because I want the room to look good from every angle that I film in. And like obviously this is a good filming spot because like the light is hitting me straight on. So it would be cute if there's something like above the bed. Good morning. I am still in my pajamas. Don't judge me. I decided that before I change and get ready for the day, go to the gym, all that stuff, I'm going to start doing some of the little things for this space because I need to see like what actually still needs to be done. So, we're going to start with I think the easiest project, but it's just to wrap this shelf with the wooden contact paper that I got. I'm also going to paint like the wooden things and stain my thread thing. I'm kind of upset, guys, because I really wanted to find one that was horizontal like this, but I only could find one that was vertical that would ship to the address that I needed. For some reason, Amazon's been doing this thing to me where I put stuff in the cart and I click checkout and then it says it's not deliverable to that address, which doesn't make any sense. This whole house thing has been really dragged out and I am out of money for real to like do this space. It is another day, and I'm still working on this office space. I swear it's been 3 weeks since I've done anything productive for my business. I've barely been posting on social media, it's a mess. So, today is the last day that I am giving myself to actually finish this space. We don't have that much left to do. So, this is what the shelf is looking like right now. I'm not super happy with it. I bought these things from IKEA, which are supposed to be for this pegboard, because one thing I realized is that this pegboard isn't like every other pegboard. So you kind of have to get like specific stuff. Today's goal is to finish organizing everything and also hang up the thread wrap. I made some progress organizing stuff into those bins, but it's not perfect yet. So we're gonna keep going. This lighting is probably really bad because I just have like my mood lighting. But anyways, I'm gonna just time lapse you while I watch a little show. Okay, yeah, she is done. Thank you so much for watching. I am beyond thankful to have this space for my business and for my life. I cannot wait to keep creating and grow my business even more. Thank you so much for being here and for allowing me to build this dream. I hope that you enjoyed. Let me know of any suggestions and things that you think I should add or take away from this space. As always, I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day and I will see you next time. Also, please don't forget to subscribe. It really helps small channels like mine. Love you. Bye.